using Gunicorn and Multiprocess with the Flask app. So I'm trying to write a Flask app that has a block of code running once every 10 minutes, pulling down and processing a file. The way I currently trigger that block of code to run is a loop that sees if the delta between the current time and the last time the block of code ran is greater than 10 minutes. Multiprocessing is being used to run the loop concurrently with what Flask is doing, all set up in the if_name_equals_main_ column portion of my Flask app. Unfortunately, since the app is being run using Gunicorn, using Heroku to run the app, if_name_equals_main_ column doesn't resolve as true and the loop doesn't even start. Setting up multiprocess in something like if true column only throws errors and doing if_name_equals_main_ column throws no errors but locks Flask up in the loop, meaning that multiprocess isn't really doing what it's supposed to. Really curious as to why this is, but my larger question is if there is a better way to run my block of code once every 10 minutes where I can still easily pass the results of the code to Flask or get multiprocess to run correctly, and would you mind elaborating on either? Something that's built into Flask, maybe similar to app.before_first_request, where an external trigger isn't required, would be nice. I feel as if I've overlooked something really simple and overcomplicated what I'm doing as a result. A simplified version of my code is as follows and works when not being handled by Gunicorn on my local machine. The proc file I'm using on Heroku to run this app with Gunicorn contains web column Gunicorn app column app log file equals. Thanks in advance for the help, D.
You seem to doing a background task in a web process. Web processes are meant to handle incoming requests. Background tasks should be run separately. You can use Heroku Scheduler or a custom clock process to run background tasks at regular intervals.